Hey friends, I wanted to take a minute and help you understand one of the assignments we're going to be doing this week. It's called Having Fun with Technology. You may not think so after we're done. No, I'm teasing you. I want you to have fun with this. What you're going to do is find the URLs that I have listed here, one at a time. So you're going to start with the number one, which is Canva. We use Canvas, but there's a program called Canva, and we're going to be using that. And then you're going to create an account for yourself. And then you're going to create something short and simple on each of these different platforms. And then show me that you know how to save it and upload it into Canvas. These platforms down here, these programs, we're going to be using during the quads coming up. And it always takes students a very long time to figure out how the technology works before they can add the content to it. So I just thought that if you spent this first week getting comfortable with the technology, and there is more that we're going to be doing than just this, but if you got used to it, then you'd feel more comfortable. When you got to the actual assignment, you'd already have an account, you'd already be ready to put in your information, and that sort of thing. So that's what we're going to try to do here. So let's start with, the other thing I need to explain to you. I put 6, should be letter F down here instead of E, but I put 6 topics, 2, 3, I did, 4, 5, 6. And you could either use one topic for each of these 6 so that you end up covering each of these topics, or let's say you really got excited or you really liked the idea of why are there so many bad teachers left in education? And so you could do one of your thoughts on the first one, another of your thoughts on the second, another of your thoughts on the third, and so on. So either you can use all of the topics, or you can use just one. Or you could pick 2 or 3 topics and use them. It doesn't really matter, because we're not really concerned about the content. We're concerned about you being able to use the technology. When we come together on the 18th, we will be showing these to each other, but just to talk about it and see what you felt and if there were any glitches. If there are glitches, I hope you know what to do, that you would go to Ask Your Instructor at the bottom of the module, and you'd ask me a question, and then I can get back to you. The very first person, no, I don't want to say that. I was going to say the very first person that leaves their name, there's a brand new Mercedes at Mission Valley for you. No Mercedes. I don't want to really make it a contest, because I'm hoping you figured this out easily and there's as few questions as possible. So anyway, sorry, I like to joke around a little bit. All right, so we're going to go to the first one, which is Canva. And now I'm already logged in. You can see RP. So you'll have to figure out how to make the account, but it's not hard at all. And we're going to create a design. And you can create a poster, a video. I mean, you can look through all these choices down here. There's tons. But I'm just going to I'm going to do a poster because it's quick. And so you can see I picked the missing dog poster. And I don't know, I just felt bad for the dog. So, and then I changed the title to The Worst Teacher. You're going to want to get rid of all their stuff that's on it. You can change the picture and that sort of thing, because it's up to you. And that's all I care about is, and then you would put somewhere on there, explain about your worst teacher you ever had. Briefly. We're not worried so much about the content. And then up at the top when you're finished, there's the word share, and then there's this arrow that points down. If you do the word share, it only gives you a link to it. Now that might be useful at some point where you just want a link to it, but for our purposes, and in our class, I don't think we'll ever be, well, I guess you could use it and upload it to Canvas as an assignment. But on the website project we're going to make, everything's going to be embedded, so it can't be a link. But this arrow down lets you download it as a PDF. So if you download it as a PDF, then you can upload it into Canvas as a PDF. In Canvas, there's on the left-hand side, just like this left-hand side has all the tools. If in Canvas, there's a tool that says Embed. And when you click on Embed, a list of things comes up, and you go down to PDF Viewer. And then it allows you to put your PDF into a PDF viewer. Now that's just for the website. As far as Canvas goes, our assignment, you can just upload the PDF to the assignment. All right? So that's what I'm going to do, is just that much, because I want to know that you can get an account, you can create something short and simple, and you can get it downloaded first, and then upload to Canvas. Okay? So I'm going to go on to the next one. Have a great day.